The metabolic typing test was adapted from the book The Metabolic Typing Diet by Dr. William Wolcott. It is a short questionnaire consisting of 44 multiple choice questions relating to a client's dietary preferences. When enabled, the client will be able to complete the questionnaire from their end. Once they have completed it, the coach can view their results. The first page of the questionnaire provides basic instructions on how to best answer the questions. From the next tab, you can scroll through and view the individual responses to each question. The last page gives an indication of a client's metabolic type, including if they're more of a protein and fat type, a carb type, or a mixed type. Below that, you'll find some basic dietary guidelines for their metabolic type. Because a person's metabolism, biochemistry, and dietary preferences can change over time, this test can be repeated every couple of months.